Dive into the world of Japanese culinary arts where we're whipping up a unique dish, creamy clam mash. Picture a tantalizing mix of peeled clams, fresh mushrooms, boiled spinach stems, and salmon roe. But that's not all. We're adding a special twist. 15 centimeters of radish, 2 egg yolks, a half teaspoon of salt, and a dash of soy sauce. This seasoning enhances the richness of our radish mash. Next, we prepare the clams, mushrooms, and spinach stems, cutting and slicing to create a multi-dimensional texture. Add these to the radish mash, stir thoroughly, and voila! A culinary masterpiece garnished with salmon roe. Dive into this rich and savory taste. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, welcome to the artistry of Azuma's kitchen, where we master the magic of salt timing. First up, during preparation, salt is used to draw out excess moisture, intensifying flavors and enhancing the original taste of your ingredients. This curing process gives your dish a fresh, rich texture. Next, let those marinated ingredients chill in the refrigerator, allowing the salt to work its magic. Secondly, during cooking, salt is your secret weapon for blending and enriching flavors. It's all about timing, adding just the right amount at just the right moment. And finally, the last dash of salt comes at the tasting stage. A final sprinkle can freshen your dish, neutralize odors, and balance flavors to perfection. Remember, in Azuma's kitchen, the magic is in the timing. Master these 3 points, and you too can create dishes that surprise and delight. This is the craft of Azuma, where deliciousness begins. Welcome to a minute journey through the world of artisan dishware. Today we're focusing on the harmony between cuisine and their ceramic counterparts. Firstly, we have the Kanua 26 centimeter black plate. With its traditional Japanese aesthetic, it's a versatile piece for both French and Japanese cuisine. Moving on, we find the Hibino ekle. This moss green plate with its undulating edges is the ideal stage for Western dishes. Pair it with the Spal Oliva Olivia bowl, and you've got a retro chic look for any Western cuisine. Next up, the Hibino Tanta. Its wide-edged design maximizes serving space, while the Koyotuki Streamline's honey-colored bowl adds a unique twist to your dish presentation. Now let's take a look at the Hibino Burella. Its deep indigo design offers a refreshing contrast, especially when serving light-colored foods. And don't forget the Hibino Stone, an elegant gray piece that adds sophistication to any dish. Lastly, the Plep plate. Its emerald green hue subtly changes in the sunlight, beautifully complementing any outdoor dining experience. Remember, a dish's full potential can only be reached with the perfect utensils. Elevate your culinary creations with the right dishware. Until next time, bon appétit.